5 things you didn't know about the origin of Rio Mare tuna. The first tuna with a certified supply chain from the sea to the table. 1. Our tuna is a tropical fish. It lives in equatorial waters between the 2 tropics. 2. We use only the following species: yellowfin tuna with its yellow dorsal and ventral fins, and skipjack tuna, which has longitudinal stripes on the belly. 3. We fish only from registered vessels that follow the rules established by the International Seafood Sustainability Foundation. Consequently, we are very careful about where and how we fish. 4. We diversify the oceans of catch, the tuna species and the fishing methods in order to protect the balance of the marine ecosystem. 5. The codes on the can tell the story of our certified tuna. Visit riomare.com and discover the origin of your favorite tuna. Rio Mare, the first tuna with a certified supply chain from the sea to the table.